Hello everyone, so welcome to the daily analysis video. So today only audio because my camera battery is not working. So anyways, let's get to the main topic. So what happened today? Today we had FinNifty expiry and so market was in range bound, but in the morning some call buyers were active in Nifty as well as in FinNifty. Okay, so let's go to our so here. I saw that some guys were buying in FinNifty and calls and also in Nifty as well. So Fin Nifty today was expiry, so it was kind of a little volatile, but I kept on buy. So I did the buy on dip, and also bought Nifty as well, and at 10 a.m. Okay, so today it took some time to go up, but anyways it did. So bought at 159 and finally closed at 184. Okay, so at 1219, sorry 1229. And also FinNifty here I said that FinNifty will pump. So FinNifty might pump at 10:52 a.m. So 10:52 a.m. if you come and look at the FinNifty chart, so look at here, that is 10:50. So this is the candle. Okay, so this is where like almost at 20,710. Okay, so this is where FinNifty was, and then after that it shot up by 50 points. Okay, so that's what the spike I was talking about, because at this dip some HFT buyers were there. So these are high frequency buyers. What they do is they they buy and suddenly take the market up, and they don't take very high profits, but they take negligible. I mean, like they take 15 to 20% profit overall. Okay, on an average, and then they so their trading style is like that. Okay, so sometimes also they go in and suddenly also close as well into a, like, let's say 5 to 6% margin as well. So nothing could be trusted about these guys, but you can catch them during the live market hours, and today I did, and so I got a nice move here, and also in Nifty also got a nice move after 11. So as you can see here, that is after 11, so there was this nice move, and again this nice move came, and the main thing was that if the day's high is not breaking, you should know that you should close if you are long. So the same happened in Nifty. Day's high was in breaking, and so even in Fin Nifty coming down here, day's high did not break, and so that moment you should understand that it's not for the it's not for the longs. So even if you have seen my earlier days, like I used to exit a lot earlier. So that, why is that? Because that saves you. Like today it saved me. Okay, if I did wait, so then I would profits would have wiped out. So again, this is the same Telegram channel, guys. If you want such analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, and where you also get access to the money flow indicators and my live analysis about the big guys. So that's as I was saying, like today it saved me, and also let's go to the money flow indicators, how it helped today. So here you'll see that in the morning it was negative, and when like suddenly after that, like minus 45, so from like near about 10 a.m. onwards, you see the score is increasing. So this is also like from minus 45, the score has come up to like 3. So that means the score has increased by 48 points, or near about 50 points. Okay, so then so it gives you a hint that long guys are, or long players are also building up, and so again market went up, and again here also, so it was showing some strength. So that's where I got to know that even like the HFT buyers are there in Nifty, and also in FinNifty they were there, and finally it shot up and gave an exit to the buyers, and here, and then finally again came down. Okay, so that's how it helped me today, and yeah. So also talking about Bank Nifty as well, it was kind of negative. So in the morning in Bank Nifty, majorly short positions were building up, and then finally like at after 10:33 score started stabilizing near the neutral zone. It went up showing some strength, and then finally again came down to the neutral zone and came down. Okay, so if you look at the time when the score again went up and came down to the neutral zone, so it was almost like 12:05. So after 12, as you can see here, that is like talking about Bank Nifty 11:45, then 12. So near about 12 it picked up, and again it picked here, and then finally came down. Okay, so that was like the indications you get that what is happening currently, what the big guys are doing with their positions in options and futures, and some like a 10% weightage is also given to the cash segment, but majorly the weightage is in FNO. So coming down to our levels, so talking about our levels, this 21,981 has already shared, and above again 22,053. So even when this level like Nifty came down and got resistance to this level, you should have known that why Nifty is getting resistance there. We talked about our level, so this level is working perfectly. Okay, so this level is here also, you can see it's working very well. Okay, so talking about our Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty above we had like our line of control 46,900, but today it got resistance to with these EMAs. Okay, in these EMAs, and talking about Fin Nifty also a similar kind of situation happened, was getting resistance at 50 EMA on this 5 minutes chart. So that was the overall, and in the morning it took support at exactly our level 20,649, and even for Nifty as well it took support near our level like 21,981, as you can see. So now talking about the other data, now you would say that why it spiked up in the morning. So we discussed in the last analysis, that is PropDex, they went long. Okay, they shorted puts and they bought calls as well, so that's why things shot up. But the main problem is that it doesn't give you time to take trades. Okay, so that was the problem. I couldn't enter here, so it was just a sudden shot up. Okay, so anyways, we caught the big guys during the live market hours and took the benefit of it. Anyways, let's go with the EOD data. So now again, if you are not following me on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter, and also if you don't you're not a member of haven't subscribed me on YouTube, so please do so to get these daily live daily analysis. Okay, so now let's talk about the futures positions. FIs are closing on both the sides, but not in huge quantity. Overall, FIs have short positions almost double, more than double, you can say. Future short positions are there for the FIIs. And talking about PropDex, they also have short positions in futures. So these are the short positions, as you can see. So even the PropDex are also bearish in the futures. Now talking about today, what the FIs have done is they have done call writing as well as put writing, but majorly they have done call writing. Similarly for PropDex, they have done huge call writing and they have done some put writing. But overall, what's the data point? Oh, sorry, not my bad. PropDex, they have done huge call writing and some put buying. Okay, so that's for today. Overall, if you look at the March series, so this is the March monthly expiry. Again, market is going to be volatile, so please be cautious. And talking about overall FIS data, so they are like put writers as well as call writers. Okay, so they are like the straddle guys. And talking about FIIs, they are like again put writers as well as call writers. So now overall March series, like PropDex, they have equal amount of put writing and call writing, and similarly for these FIs as well. So they are mostly in the option, they are doing straddle. Okay, so one side again has to break so that we get a momentum. Otherwise again it would be like both the side moves. And tomorrow we have our Bank Nifty expiry. So talking about first of all in Nifty, we have like as you can see, even at 22,000 as well, we have these writers, this 6 lakhs OI change. So that is for today. And also like the put side is not looking that great. As you can see, the change in OI is not that looking great. So majorly call writing has been done at the second half today. And as you can see, the PCR ratio is like it's 1.05. It's kind of bullish now, you would see. But the main point is like in the morning it was 1.13. Okay, so or 1.15 as I remember. So the thing is that those extra were the HFT call buyers. So that I was tracking them during the live market hours. They took the market up and then they started closing at around this top. Okay, that day's high. So uh, now talking about the other data points. So again, coming to Bank Nifty. So again, during the intraday, these buyers, big buyers who are buying, so you don't know whether they are if prop decks, FIs or whatever. So what I see is they are the high frequency traders, so they take suddenly the positions, and I also go with them. And uh, I mean, with 90 more than 90% accuracy, they get what they do. Okay, so I mean, they end up in profit. Anyways, now it could also have been like the prop decks. They further averaged out their call buying positions, which they bought on Friday, and then took the market up and closed it. Okay, so many theories can come up, but yes, during the live market hours, if you have I mean, if you are catching them, that's the main point. Who is behind that, or like which big player? Is it a big player? Yes or no? That matters. Which big player doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter much, because you, even if it matters, you won't be able to know during the live market hours. I mean, now talking about again our Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you see, it's 0.82. So again, most of the call writings have been done in Bank Nifty. So for tomorrow, for the call writers, like 47,000 can give a great resistance zone, and also below you have these call writers as well. On the put side, again, put side are closing and not looking that great, and 46,000 is looking at the next as the next support for Bank Nifty. So anyways, things are looking a little bit bearish, slightly bearish, but but again, the big guys, prop decks and FIs, they have made straddle. So market might not fall much, or if it falls, then those FIs and prop decks, they have to close their put writing positions. Okay, so a short covering has to be initiated in either side, so that market gives a momentum move, or market gains momentum while moving. Otherwise, again, it would be going to be a boring day while you see that market moves the up or down, and or down or up. So that's all my analysis. That is for now. It's like the straddle guys. It's the market is for the straddle guys, and so you might see both the side moves. And finally, like for now, what I am doing is, as you know, that I am just catching these big guys and tracking them during the live market hours, taking the trades with them, and exiting at a nice profit. So that's how I am playing my side. So that's how I think these days will go, until unless we get a clear direction. So anyways, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.